So we're here today at Benchmark's head office in Swords to look at a branded version of our Workshop Manager E3 Technical. It's been branded as TopPart because we have a team going to the TopPart trade show in Tralee and Kerry this week, and thankfully our partners at CarWeb have sent Dennis across, our resident technical expert, to introduce us to TopPart's E3 Technical. And for viewers of the blog, we're going to spend 10 minutes running through it quickly because there's some really exciting new features on here with regards to online quotations that includes the TopPart catalogue that Dennis is going to take us through. So it's taken us 10 minutes to get everything set up, Dennis. Fingers crossed the computer isn't going to break down on us again like it has in previous trials, but would you give us a quick walk through the basic functions of E3?
Yep, no problem. On E3, on the top part, all you do is put your registration number of the car, which I've already done, up on the top screen, search for it, and it comes down with all the car information that you want, engine numbers and what type of car it is. Okay, stick on to do technical data.
And that first screen obviously is really important because it gives the VIN number and some other useful technical information that people look up.
Right. First thing we do is have a quick look at the adjustments. On the adjustments, you have information. You have information like engine information, engine codes, and etc. all come up automatically because you've got the registration number in. You'll have belt layouts, so you can have all your auxiliary belt layouts information. Torque settings, which everybody wants. We have all torque settings that goes all the way down the system. Wheel nuts all the way down, all the way down to the bottom there, and some diagrams there to demonstrate whereabouts that they're talking about. On the maintenance screen, you have all the service maintenance and schedules on the car.
So let me just confirm again, Dennis, for anybody who's not familiar with TopPart or systems like this. This is a tool for non-franchise dealers who want to be able to service or maintain any make or model of car, is that right?
That's it, yeah, that's exactly what it's for.
And all of the information we have on here is the manufacturer's recommended information for service?
All the manufacturer's recommendations. You have the service schedules. We've got an 09 plate car, all the service intervals for the older cars there. You have the service indicator resets, key programming if it's got it, maintenance guide, just gives you a quick guide of what's going to be happening in some of the maintenance schedules. What we do is we're going to go down to the 12,000, which you won't see, but we'll just use it as an example.
Okay.
Okay, on the screen we come to a default screen. You have all the systems ticked so you can see the times and all the other data on it. Please excuse me. Tells you that the cam belt should be done at 125,000 miles. And it goes down, you've got a tick sheet all the way down to what picture you have in it.
Almost a job card.
It's a tick sheet, job sheet for any servicing. I'll explain that in a second. All the way down on this, you'll have these little green symbols, if you can see those ones, lubricants. If you click on these, you've got the green symbol for lubricants, you've got the settings and times. If you're doing brakes, for instance, you can sit there and you click onto this. And then it'll automatically come up to the disc thicknesses and allowances and the minimum wear and tear on the discs. Okay, so if you want that information, it's already there for you. Okay, for workshop use, untick the items. Yeah, and it goes to a printable size, and then the mechanic can tick down all the things that he's checked and done. Okay, all the way down to the screen. It also has a body check, also has a tyre depths, a little comments box, and a nice little signature for a technician to say that he's done the job.
And that's really important where block exemption proves that you need to maintain the vehicle with parts of equal quality and as per the manufacturer.
It's there for the customer as well to actually prove that the services is done, and he's signed it to prove that he's checked everything off, etc. What we also have, which we have, just trying to think which is the best one to go to. Drawing information. On the drawings information, you'll have drawings or setups of different systems. This is a brake systems, so you get a breakdown of what this brake system looks like, and you click on any of the diagrams, they always come up, and what happens, you can see all the nuts and bolts and what the actual torque tightens on all the bolts are. In case it's a quicker reference to actually find out where they are, that works it out. And most people as well, the other one is the air conditioning system, where you can actually see where all the actual filling points are on the air conditioning system, because sometimes they're buried and you can't see them anywhere. Okay. One of the other nicest things what we have a procedure system.